Okay, in the last video, I shared how unit shape, okay, it's actually formed by one or more primary shapes. Okay, so if let's say I have a tessellation here, okay, what is my unit shape? Okay, we can see that the unit shape is actually this shape here. So this shape you repeat, it forms you flip it the other way, okay, and you repeat it, okay, you will form this whole tessellation here. Okay, and it may be formed by one or more primary shapes. So for this unit shape, okay, its primary shape, what is it? Okay, it's actually this here. Okay, this is the unit, this is primary because it's a very basic. Okay, primary is the same as basic, and it forms actually a unit here, and it repeats itself to form this tessellation. Okay, and in the previous video I also shared how actually this unit shape here, okay, can also repeat itself, where I have two types of primary shape, this uh, triangle here and this square here. Okay, so this actually is able to repeat itself, and this is actually a whole unit. Okay, it's a unit shape. Right, moving on, I'm going to show you more examples of tessellations, and why some shapes are not, not actually tessellations of each other. Okay, so you take a look at this shape here. Is this a tessellation? Actually, it's not. Why? Okay, why? Okay, yes, it's only one shape. As you can see, it's a circle. Okay, yes, it's only one shape. Okay, and it has no gaps in between, so this is good. Okay, the tessellation is these three factors have to be in place, right? So yes, there is only one shape. There are no gaps, but however, can you see that there's actually an overlap? This circle overlaps this, and so on. So it has overlaps. So this is not. Let me change color. Okay. So this is not a tessellation. Okay, because of the overlap. All right. Okay. So what about this here? Okay. So one shape. Okay. So you can say that shape. Yes, there's only one shape here. Okay, one type of shape. There are gaps. You can see there are already gaps. Okay, so there are already gaps. So this failed. All right. And are there overlaps? No, there are no overlaps. So this is fine. But however, because there are gaps, this is not a tessellation. Okay, move on to the next one. Okay, you can see there's only one shape. Okay, it's true. Okay, this is considered, if let's say this tessellates, for example, this is actually a unit shape. Remember what I talked about earlier? This is actually a unit shape. So if it is there only one shape? Actually, yes, there's only one shape. Although it's made up of two primary shapes, which is this and this here. Okay, but overall this forms a unit shape. So a unit shape is also considered one shape. Okay, so shape, yes. Okay, no gaps. Are there gaps in between? Yes, you can see that there are actually gaps in between. So this also fails the gaps test. And are there any overlaps? No, there are no overlaps. So this one passed the overlap test. Okay, so because of gaps in between, this is not a tessellation.